Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Trello tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to connect Trello cards with each other. This is actually quite simple and allows me to link external content as well as Trello cards. To do this I first open Trello and a board in which I want to link a Trello card. Now I open the card and click on attachment on the right hand side, and here I now have the option of linking external content. I can also search for Trello cards by entering the name. The results are displayed below, and I can also see the workspace in which the Trello card is located and when the Trello card was created. Once I have found the right card, I simply click on it and it is inserted here. If you have the problem that you can't find the right Trello card because you have a lot of cards in your Trello boards, for example, you can first go to the card you want to link and copy its URL. If we now go back the same way into the card and attachments, I can also enter the URL here and click on Insert, and Trello will recognize that this was an internal link. And in this way we can connect Trello cards with each other. By the way, the same procedure also works with entire Trello boards that you can attach to Trello cards. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.